Hey guys, Jason Christie here, Falcon Pro. I want to talk to you about Falcon rods in general, why I choose them, and if you are in the market, for a new rod or a new set of rods, or you're just getting into fishing, why you should consider Falcon. First of all, just talking about the rods in general, all different styles of rods. The first thing that you're going to notice when you pick up a Falcon rod is how light it is. I mean, super, super light. If you're in the boat and you want to go fishing all day, the last thing that you want to do is, have a rod in your hand that's heavy, wears you out, and all of that. So it's light. Second of all is quality components, from the guides, to the cork, to the reel seat, to the finishes. Everything's done with, high quality components. That way you spend time fishing and not fixing the rod or sending it back or something like that. So quality, super light, and the thing I think you're going to be most impressed with is the different kind of rods that we have. All right, from the Cara to the low rider to the Buku, every one of those series is different price points to meet your budget. Also within those series, we have rods that cover every technique that you want out there. A lot of you guys that watch me fish have seen this spinnerbait rod in my hand, a Cara head turner, for years and years and years and years and years. It just fits. It's exactly what I want throwing this bait, and a lot of the other Cara rods are the same way. We build them, with the idea of the technique of what people need, but also whenever we build them to be versatile. So not only is this a spinnerbait rod, it's my bladed jig rod, it's my little jig rod. I can use it for different techniques. So, the Cara, the head turn, the Caras, the Expert, I want to show you this rod here. I can go to Falcon and get a new rod anytime that I want to. This Expert is, I don't know how many years old, and it's my topwater rod. It stays in my boat, and all the rods look good. The cork's a little bit dirty from fishing all the time, but that's what I'm saying. This is not a Cara. This is an Expert, and it's stood the test of time with me as much as I fish all of these years. So if you're shopping for rods and you're serious about it, and you're looking for rods that technique specific, you're looking for different price points, you need to check Falcon out. I have personally, and I know Falcon does too, we have a lot of videos out there talking about, which rod for which technique and all that kind of stuff if you need help. But you need to check them out. You can do all that at falconrods.com.